Hey there, here is something to think about. Why do some customers keep returning to the same brand repeatedly while others quickly move on? The answer often lies in customer engagement and retention strategies. So, in this lecture, we will explore the importance of keeping customers engaged, strategies for building lasting relationships, and techniques to turn one time buyers into loyal customers. Let's begin this. After going through this lecture, you should be able to understand the significance of customer engagement and its impact on retention. Identify strategies to build lasting customer relationships. Implement techniques to improve customer retention and foster brand loyalty. For the record, customer engagement is the foundation of long term customer relationships. Engaging with customers means connecting with them in a meaningful way, whether through personalized communication, quality service, or a shared sense of values. The benefits of strong customer engagement include increased loyalty. Engaged customers are more likely to return and recommend their brand to others. Improved customer experience. Consistent, personalized engagement enhances the overall experience, leading to higher satisfaction. Reduced acquisition costs. Retaining a customer is more cost effective than acquiring a new one, making engagement essential for long term profitability. Engagement isn't just about sending frequent emails, it's about genuinely understanding customers' needs, responding to them effectively, and creating memorable experiences. Creating a loyal customer base requires more than great products. It involves building strong, trusting relationships. Here are some strategies to build lasting relationships with customers. Personalization. Customers appreciate brands that recognize them as individuals. Personalizing communication, product recommendation, and offers create a sense of connection. For example, addressing customers by name and suggesting products based on their previous purchases makes them feel valued. Active listening. Encourage customers to share feedback and show that you listen actively. This includes addressing complaints promptly and using feedback to improve your offerings. Customers want to feel that their opinions matter. Exceeding expectations. Go beyond what's expected by offering exceptional customer service. Small gestures like sending a thank you note or offering surprise discounts can greatly impact customer loyalty. Let's call this story the boutique's personal touch. A local boutique noticed that one of their regular customers always browsed but never bought anything from their online store. So the boutique owner sent a handwritten note with a small discount code, thanking her for her support and encouraging her to try their online collection. This gesture touched the customer, who made her first online purchase and became an even more loyal customer. The moral: small acts of personalization and recognition create lasting connections and turn occasional buyers into devoted customers. While engagement is important, retention strategies are the actions that keep customers returning to your brand. Here are some effective techniques. Loyalty programs. Loyalty programs reward customers for their repeat business, encouraging them to continue choosing your brand over others. Examples of loyalty programs include points based programs. Customers earn points for each purchase, which they can redeem for discounts or exclusive items. Tiered programs. Customers receive greater rewards as they progress through loyalty tiers, creating incentives for long term engagement. Thus, loyalty programs are effective because they provide value to customers and give them a reason to keep coming back. Subscription models offer products or services on a recurring basis, allowing customers to engage with the brand consistently over time. Examples include monthly subscription boxes or membership plans with exclusive benefits. Subscriptions create a sense of routine, making customers more likely to continue the relationship with the brand. Apart from that, exceptional customer service is a retention tool that can make or break a relationship. Responsive, helpful customer support reassures customers that the brand cares about their experience, also ensuring that customers can reach support easily and have their concerns addressed quickly, builds trust and keeps them satisfied. Think of customer engagement as the garden of loyalty. Just like a gardener waters plants regularly and nurtures them over time, businesses must nurture customer relationships with consistent engagement, care, and support. The result? A thriving garden of loyal customers who keep coming back. The takeaway? Like a well tended garden, strong customer relationships require consistent effort and genuine care. To ensure that your engagement and retention efforts are effective, it's important to track specific metrics including customer retention rate. Measures the percentage of customers who continue to purchase from the brand over time. A high retention rate indicates strong customer loyalty. Customer lifetime value calculates the total revenue a business can expect from a single customer over their entire relationship with the brand. Increasing CLV is a key goal for customer retention efforts. Net Promoter Score (NPS), a metric that gauges customer satisfaction and likelihood to recommend the brand to others. High NPS scores signal positive engagement and loyalty. Hence, tracking these metrics help identify which strategies are working and where improvements are needed, ensuring continuous growth and customer satisfaction. Create a one-page engagement plan for a hypothetical business. Include strategies for personalization, loyalty programs, and customer support excellence. Describe how each approach will build stronger customer relationships. What are some customer retention techniques that you appreciate as a consumer? Feel free to share your experiences in the comment section. In summary, effective customer engagement and retention strategies are essential for building long lasting relationships that benefit both the customer and the brand. Let's wrap up this lecture for now. See you in the next one. Keep learning with Eduta.